Similar to numbers, we can multiply functions together, and there's a notation that expresses this. The product of two functions f and g is defined by f times g of x, which is more simply understood as f of x times g of x. So, given the functions f of x equals 4x minus 3 and g of x equals 2x plus 5, we're going to find each of the following. We're going to find f times g of x first, which again is just f of x times g of x. So f of x is 4x minus 3 and g of x is 2x plus 5. And now we're going to multiply this by distributing or foiling, whichever you prefer. So 4x times 2x, 8x squared, 4x times 5, 20x, negative 3 and positive 2x, negative 6x, and then negative 3 times 5, negative 15. From here, just combine like terms. 8x squared, but 20x and negative 6 can combine to 14x, and then 15. And nothing else to combine, so this is my multiplied function. Next we have f times g of 2, which just means f of 2 times g of 2. So you can just plug in 2 to your f function and get a number, plug 2 into your g function and get a number, and then multiply the two numbers to get an answer. Or we can take what the multiplied function is, 8x squared plus 14x minus 15, and just plug 2 into there. So we're going to get 8 times 2 squared plus 14 times 2 minus 15, and just work it out. So 8 times 4 plus 28 minus 15. So 8 times 4 is 32. 28 minus 15 is 13. And then 32 plus 13 is going to be 45. So f times g of 2 is 45. I'm going to do it one more time. F times g of negative 1, which again is just f of negative 1 times g of negative 1. So again, you can plug in negative 1 to f and g separately, get a number, multiply them, and get an answer. Or we can plug it into our combined function and do the same thing, which is what we're going to do. So 8 times negative 1 squared plus 14 times negative 1 minus 15. So negative 1 squared is just 1, so just 8. 14 times negative 1 is negative 14 minus 15. So 8, negative 14, and negative 15 is negative 29. And then 8 minus 29 is negative 21. So f times g of negative 1 is going to equal negative 21.